Man, I'm bored. I wonder what I should do. I know something. I will go pull the fire alarm and ditch school. Ha 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 ha.
Okay class, today we are going to do some math.
Excuse me, Bella Harris, may I take a crap in the bathroom?
Go right ahead.
Alright, let's do this. Alright, now let's get out of here. Yes, I did it. Now let's go to Dairy Queen.
Sorry about that class, it was the fire alarm that went off. And where is gentleman? He better not be ditching school. I better go to Billie Jean's office right now. Well, hello Bella Harris, what brings you in my office? Is gentleman pulling the fire alarm or ditching school? One of them is to be pulling the fire alarm or ditching school. It is to be the fire alarm. Yeah, right. I believe it's both. What? Do you think gentlemen pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time? Well, let's look at the video. Later after the video ended. That Lego guy. When he gets back, send him to your office. I will send him to my office when he gets back. Thanks for telling me. No problem. Now let's get back to work. Alright class, I'm back. Now let's continuing math.
I'm so sorry, Bella. I just had massive diarrhea in the toilet.
Well, I don't believe you.
But please, Bella Harris, you have to believe me. I just had a very massive diarrhea in the toilet.
Did you really have a big massive diarrhea in the toilet?
Yes, I just had a very big diarrhea in the toilet.
Would you like to explain with Billie Jean?
Wah! You dragged my hat.
Gentlemen, I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting for you to explain. Now tell me what happened.
I was pulling the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time.
Gentlemen, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. Guess what? I'm calling the cops on you.
Hello.
Hello, 911. I was informing you the gentleman pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. Can you please arrest him?
He did what? Don't worry, sir. We will arrest him right away.
Thanks. Bye. Alright, the police are on their way now. Have fun in jail, gentlemen.
Oh God, no, they're here.
Sir, you are under arrest for pulling the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. Come with me to the police car now.
Oh heck no, there's no way that I'm going to jail for the second time. Wah! You dragged my hat.
I don't care, now let's go. This is your cell. You will be staying here until January 4th, 2021. Oh, and one more thing, you have a visitor that wants to see you.
Oh, hey Caden, are you feeling mad?
Oh my God, gentlemen, how dare you pull the fire alarm and ditch school at the same time? Now thanks to you, now you're gonna stay here until January 4th, 2021. Thanks to you. You are grounded for life. Go to your room and think about what you did to that school. Now goodbye.
Wah!
Hey you, shut up now before execution time.
Gentlemen, shut up.